this the length, breadth, and depth of a being is defined by the Panchakritya of Sadashiva. So, where is the question of ability that the Jiva has?
Now, please understand. You see, it is like you have been given 30-meter rope. You have the freedom to keep 3 meters as length, 5 meters as depth, remaining as a depth. Or all 30 as a length and cry that I don't have a breadth and depth. That freedom is with you. 30-meter rope is given. You can decide whether I want to spend more of my energy only in length, intellect, or only in the breadth, emotion, or only in the depth, being. The more amount goes to being, more alive you will be.
Okay.
If somebody rolls all 30 meters into being, he will be independent of anything of the external world. He will be the king. He will live like a god.
Okay.
Means, even his logic will be the expression of being, depth.
Okay.
His breath will be the expression of depth.
Okay.
See, unclutching, completion, all that is nothing but rolling more of you into depth.
Okay.
The length given is by Sadashiva. Decision to share is by you.
Okay. Suppose the being doesn't know how much to allot where, because again that is coming under the Panchakritya, whether it's more of delusion, whether the being is deluded, in which part the being is resting. So, how to...
See, now I'm telling you. The moment you feel the suffocation, delusion loses power over you. I'll put it in this way. "24 hours you have the freedom to be logically thinking constantly or emotionally influencing your life and living in breath, or spending more and more time to be sitting in your being, strengthening the depth. You do have freedom.
Okay.
Surely you have a freedom to play within that few meter rope you have. For example, within that few hours you have, you do have freedom.
Okay.
That few hours, how you spend, you strengthen that dimension of you.
Okay.
That decides, are you going to have more freedom or not?
Okay.
When a child is given a knife and that child is very brilliant and it is nicely cooking, doing only the right job, he will be given a bigger knife. If the child is by mistake, knowingly or unknowingly cutting his finger or hurting himself, that knife will be taken away from the child. So, all of us surely are endowed with certain freedom.
Okay.
How we play with that freedom, are we using that freedom to hurt others and hurt ourselves? Then it is curtailed.
Okay.
If we are using that freedom to free us and free others, then it is expanded.
Okay. So is that called free will of the individual?
I should say that is called free will.
Okay.
And surely we are all given enough free will to manage our life.
Okay.
And one more thing, whenever suffocation is felt by you, Sadashiva is Karunya Murti. The moment you feel the suffocation, liberation starts in you.
Okay.
It is like a gold touching the mercury. The moment gold and mercury comes in contact, gold starts melting.
Okay.
Same way, the moment you feel the suffocation, it starts melting.
Okay.
And sometime we ourselves ask Sadashiva this as a boon. I may not be able to handle myself pushing me towards liberation. You better appear in the form of suffocation to me and go on pushing me towards liberation.
Oh. Okay.
Why Tirunavukar sir got the stomach pain? He actually asked Sadashiva, till you fill my heart, let my stomach torture me. He asked Sadashiva. So that is the way he got that disease. He feels in the world I may forget the whole purpose. So better you be available in the form of this suffocation. So till I become completely enlightened, you be driving me from the stomach.
Oh my God.
Sometimes even we ourselves make this happen.
Oh. And we will not be aware of this at all.
I tell you, there is something called soft sufferings. Soft suffering means actually without any problem you will be suffering. Those soft sufferings are usually boons. You take it and come down.
Okay.
For example, actually somebody is handicapped. Actually somebody is in the poverty. Actually somebody is like a mad or that and all is actual karma. But there is something called soft suffering. Actually there is no reason.
Yeah, physically.
But you will, not only physically, there is no reason.
Okay.
But you will be going on suffering. It's called soft suffering, which is boon.
Is
You bring
depression
it.
also part of that soft suffering?
Yes, I am talking to you. I am talking to you. That is why I use the word soft suffering.
Okay.
Actually, there is no reason.
Okay.
But it is there always.
So is there?
So I should say, it is a self, it's like a, for alarm clock, you
Okay.
give the key and this is the key you give.
Okay.
So you yourself decide, I have to become enlightened within this birth. So my acceleration speed is not enough.
Okay.
Devi, please accelerate me.
Oh.
Whatever it may take, I am ready for that. Whenever you give that kind of a commitment, she gives soft suffering.
Okay.
She will never give you hard suffering. Hard suffering comes by karma.
Okay.
Soft suffering comes by boon.
Oh.
All soft suffering is come only as a boon.
So does it mean I have come with a boon, Swamiji?
Maybe till to accelerate your speed. Accelerate your speed. See, let me be very straight.
Okay.
With all my integrity, I know your whole background more than you know.
Right.
For you, I can be very sure it is only a boon and soft suffering.
Okay. Sir.
There is no hard suffering.
Okay.
Actually, there is no reason who causes you suffering. Only you cause for others. Sorry. You don't have. It is only a soft suffering. It's only your decision to accelerate you. And also one more thing, observe. I have always seen you will not look into anything for solution other than me. That is the quality of soft suffering.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes, Swamiji.
I have never seen you, even by mistake, looking for other options to get out of the suffering.
Yes.
That is the basic quality of soft suffering.
Okay.
So it is like that horse, they put that.
Yes, with blinkers.
So anything, there is no other solution. You will look Even if you look in 2 seconds, you know that is useless.
Yes, Swamiji.
So these are all the qualities of soft suffering.
So can I be sure that I will get liberated?
You can be 100% sure.
Okay, thank you, Swamiji. Thank you.
Swamiji, Sajjay Jata Swamiji. Sajjay Jata.
Yes.
Swamiji, just before, with the length, breadth and depth, just by having the depth, can we create even the matter? Just by
See what I
having
am saying, listen. If you are just a sandalwood tree, naturally you will have a smell. So if you become fully depth, for example, 30-meter rope is given, all 30 you wind it up and become a depth, your smell itself will be length and breadth. Your presence will be breadth and length. I am telling you, no way I can be so logical from my background. I am a high school dropout. No, as per the international standard, I am a high school dropout. I never went to university. I created university, that's all. No, I am telling you practical. Never went to any university. Never know any protocols of the university. So, from logic, if you see, I cannot have this logic. It's my depth, and the smell of the depth is logic.
Swamiji,
So each of this session is one PhD thesis.
so this is one more.
And surely, I am not exposed to any of these physics, quantum physics books and these, that, to catch the essence and chew and spit it out. See the morning satsang. Whether it is a quantum physics, chemistry or alchemy, everything just gets chewed and gets... So no way, logically it is possible. No way logically it is possible. Depth, if you wind the whole thing into depth, I tell you, bluntly if I have to put it, completion makes even your logic extremely beautiful, extremely sharp. And anything you see, you just behave like a grinder and grind and spit it out. For example, first time when I sat in the flight, I just looked and I know the whole circuit, how it is working. I know it looks like a too big claim, but what would I have to tell you? With all my integrity, I am telling you. First time when I sat in the flight, maybe I think it is 2002 or only at that time. When I sat in the flight, I just looked around. I just know the whole circuit, how it works. Not by any logic. Always try to entertain yourself with your depth, means completion. Unclutching, completion, all these are beautiful entertainments.
So Swamiji,
Spend lot of time on unclutching, you will have amazing business strategies. Amazing business strategies. Amazing negotiation words. You will just know where that guy is sitting. You will just know where you need to relate to him. Depth matters.
Swamiji
Yes.
Vamadeva.
Agora, sir.
Swamiji Vamadeva. So my question is regarding the teleportation. We were discussing and taking some examples to understand the length. Okay, this is the question regarding the teleportation. So this involves the matter and spirit. So would it be treated as a bread or
All teleportation comes under breadth. All materialization comes under depth.
Okay, thank you, Swamiji.
Agora
So-
side. For the Agora side, Swamiji.
Agora. Yes.
So, I have a question about the natural
Can you
systems.
mic closer?
Nature, the environmental systems, the natural systems.
Go ahead.
So, are they the breadth? They function within the breadth because they have their own intelligence of how they interact and work.
I should say, plants and all of them work only in the language of length. Their involvement and the things does not matter much. But the animals and all work in the line of breadth. Their involvement matters. Only human being can handle depth.
Swamiji, Agora.
See, animals do not have the power to manifest something completely independent of length and breadth. For example, your dog can dream only what he has seen with a little alteration. But you can dream which you have never seen, completely independent of all your perceptions
Pranam Swamiji.
and the perceived informations.
Swamiji, Agora side. Hi there. Hello.
Agora.
Oh, no, here.
Yes, go ahead.
Sajio Jata. All right. So we said that depth would be like in the dream state, making something. Also, Mama, but now my question is, okay, my question is,
Listen.
yeah,
Yes, go ahead. Finish the question.
is that the relationship between the verbalization and visualization and the source of that, now that's in the unclutching and silence. Now, that is also related to, well, you access the God particle and the I. But now, is that related to source of depth too? Or please can you explain that?
Actually, this can be related. Understand this way. Intense carbon. When the intensity increases, suddenly it gets a breakthrough of Swayam Prakasa, self-effulgent.
Okay.
It becomes diamond. Carbon by itself has no trace quality of self-effulgent.
Yes.
But when it becomes intense, it gets into the zone of self-effulgent. So your depth, by your length, breadth, depth, you have no possibility of enlightenment. But the depth, intense, it suddenly develops the quality of self-effulgent.
Wow.
It's ready for radiating Sadashiva.
Wow. That's amazing. But now,
That breakthrough
yes.
point is Satori.
Wow. Another thing just hit me now. But then we also use sound and light in like Shivoham process or mantra.
Initial
That-
level, as I said,
Uh-huh.
initially I have to silence your length and breadth. Your
please.
length and breadth is too much running around.
Okay.
And if I ask you to control, you will create another one mess.
Yeah.
That's why I say use it, I will control.
Yes. Okay, so the sound and light can only control length and
No.
breadth, but the
See, listen.
Ah.
Sound and light I consciously generate
yes.
nullifies your unconscious sound and light.
Yes.
The depth I consciously generate, Kundalini Shakti, nullifies your unconscious depth.
Wow, that's amazing. Thank you so much.
See, your dreaming is bulldozed and filled by the Kundalini I am awakening. Depth can be bad and good. The bad depth is the wild, the worst nightmare.
Yes.
Good depth is the Kundalini awakening. Kundalini awakening is the antidote for nightmare.
Okay, thank you so much, Swami.